Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volvo S60 2.0h T8 Recharge 11.8kWh Polestar Engineered all-wheel drive. This vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, is automatic, is ULEZ compliant, and is finished in Thunder Grey Metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch 5Y-spoke alloy wheels with the two-tone finish, really complementing the Thunder Grey Metallic exterior colour. You can find privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your powered boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. As this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, it can take up to 3 hours to charge, and once charged can give you a range of up to 34 miles. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Nappa and Textile Contour sports seats. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery with the eye-catching yellow seat belts. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found this you are also able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. You have the upgraded Harmon and Kardon sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have buttons for your information panel as well as your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 58,607 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Volvo infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your lane keep assist, and as well as this you also have your rear parking camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperatures suited to either you or your passenger, and as well as this you also have front heated seats. This has been a presentation on a Volvo S60 2.0h T8 Recharge 11.8kWh Polestar Engineered all-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.